Hi, I'm Andrew, the Find It Cambridge manager, and welcome to the first of our Find It Quick Tips videos, a series of short clips on how to use www.finditcambridge.org. One of the biggest changes we made to the new Find It Cambridge is the way we categorize programs and events. So today, I'll show you how categories work. Categories are important because they help you find a short list of trusted resources in Cambridge in just a few clicks. Each of the 12 main categories on our homepage reflects a type of need that exists in our community. For example, if I'm a parent looking for childcare for my 2-year-old, I can look in the main category, Early Childhood Opportunities, since that's one place I can find things for young children. After I click the main category, I can see subcategories with checkboxes on the left. I notice one called Childcare and Preschool, where I'll find places that take care of children during the day. I check that box and then press the purple button to filter my list. I now have a list of childcare programs for young children in Cambridge. You'll see that there are other filters further down the page that you can use to make even shorter lists, but we'll show you how to use those in another video. Right now, I can simply look through the options that are in front of me, read the short summaries, and click any one of them that sounds interesting to learn more about it, to register online, or to contact the organization. A quick reminder, the words we use can sometimes mean different things to different people, so it's easy to misinterpret a category if you've never used it before. For instance, the subcategory under elementary school age opportunities for schools K to 5th grade is not a list of activities for children in kindergarten through 5th grade. It's actually a list of independent and public schools where you can enroll a child that's in those grade levels. If I wanted to find a list of activities for children in elementary school, I'd have better luck looking in the after-school activities category. If you have time, try exploring categories that sound interesting. You'll get a sense for how they work, you'll find something new and exciting in the process. One of our most popular categories is our public benefits and community assistance category, where you can find financial assistance, programs for people with low income, and other essential community resources. Of course, if you have trouble finding what you need, you can always call, send a text message, or email us using the contact information at the top and the bottom of every page. Thanks and enjoy exploring.